Who wouldn't love something that's convenient for cooking, stylish for serving? I'm here to unbox something truly special, presenting the Pigeon Imperi Luxe cast iron casserole. This casserole is a premium kitchen essential for you, and I'm sure that you're going to love it. Come, let's dive in. Here it is, the Imperi Luxe cast iron casserole. It's 22 centimeters in size and made from high quality cast iron. You can immediately feel the heavy gauge. It's built to last. This casserole also comes with a lifetime warranty, which speaks volumes about its durability. It's a strong cast iron lid with a really comfortable and stylish grip. It also has handles on the side, which makes it very easy to hold while cooking or carry while serving. This isn't just functional but also adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. The casserole itself has a luxurious mirror finish, making it not just safe and healthy to use but also incredibly stylish. One of the best things about cast iron is its ability to heat up evenly and retain heat for even cooking. The Imperi Luxe casserole does exactly that, ensuring that your food is cooked perfectly every time. Plus, it enhances the flavor of your dishes and fills your meals with rich iron content, thanks to its unmatched heating, browning capabilities and premium cast iron material. I use it to make fried vegetables like aloo, bhindi, lauki and curries like paneer butter masala, dal fry, dal makhani, and also make my favorite rice recipes like biryani, pulao, fried rice. The list just goes on. Another fantastic feature is that it retains heat for longer periods, making it perfect for both cooking and serving. And guess what? It's compatible with induction, gas and cooktops, so you can use it on any stove you have at home. To sum it up, the Imperi Luxe cast iron casserole is a must-have for any kitchen. Its quality, durability and stylish design make it an excellent investment.